Welcome to the I Am channel. If you are here, it means that you want to learn to improve your English fluency. If you can speak English, you can get a lot of opportunities. If you can speak English, you can create jobs. If you can speak English, you can do YouTube videos to get more views, to monetize your channel. If you can speak English, there are endless number of opportunities for you. So today, we're going to look at the 5 steps to improve your English fluency. This is the I Am channel, and all we just want from you is to subscribe so that we'll keep in touch and learn more from each other. Our aim is to empower and help you learn the basic tips and tricks in our daily lives that you can use to help yourself in your daily activities. So number 1 thing that you need to do to learn how to speak or improve your English fluency is to read aloud. So maybe you have a book, maybe you're at work, and you have a book or your phone, and you can get some articles on that in English language. Just read that aloud. Sit at home alone and read aloud. Take a walk and read aloud 30 minutes a day. It will help you to improve your diction. It will help you to improve on your words day by day. So the more you read aloud, the more you get to learn and improve your English language. Number 2 is that you need to practice with a partner. Get an accountability partner to help you learn English language. Get a friend. It could be a classmate. It could be a coach that will help you learn your English language. So get a partner to share ideas with, and the person will help you learn English language. And number 3, learn one word every day. So the more you learn words, the more you get better. So you can program yourself to win by learning a word every day. And how can you do this? Maybe you can download applications on Android or iOS to help you give you words every day, one word a day. Or you can even go on search on Google to find words that can help you speak with confidence every day. So learn one word, go online, search for words that will help you learn how to speak fluently. Then number 4 is that you need to watch English movies. Watch English movies. Get an accountability partner to help you watch English movies. It's going to help you, right? So watch movies with English subtitles. Go on YouTube to watch English programs to help you build your diction or add words to you. Because the more you watch the movies, the more you get better. The more you watch movies, the more you understand some words that you can use to help yourself. So learn how to just go on, watch YouTube. It could be YouTube videos, it could be TV shows, it could be programs, radio programs, or audiobooks, whatever it is. Just lay your hands on them. If they're speaking English, you get to follow to learn bit by bit. And number 5, the final one, is that you need to believe in yourself. In this world, my brother, my sister, no one will believe in you. So if you want to learn English language, you need to first of all believe in yourself. Make mistakes. Don't give a damn to people who laugh at you. Keep learning, keep making mistakes, keep improving day by day, and know that you're learning to communicate. The purpose of any language is communication. So once you're able to learn and you can make mistakes and you can communicate, you are on the right path. So keep learning, keep making mistakes. Don't look at people or don't listen to people who mock at you, who laugh at you. believe in you and keep learning. And the more you believe in yourself, the more you can improve. And the more you can improve, the more you can create opportunities to learn more. This is the I Am channel. We believe that whatever we are saying can help you or may help you improve in your diction or improve in your daily life. So if you like this, please just hit the subscribe button or share. You can also send in your comments to let us know the words you are learning. If you're learning a new word, put it here and write, I'm motivated to learn today. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave the slides in the description below so that you can use them for your personal use, commercial, whatever it is. Just download them and use them effectively. Thank you for your time. I believe in you. I appreciate it.